Alright, many of you have told me that you work hard to learn English, practice daily, and try to improve. But unfortunately, after a few days, you forget what you have learned. I completely understand it because I faced the same problem in the beginning. But don't worry, this is completely a common issue. And today in this video, I am going to share two powerful ways how you can solve this problem permanently. So hello and welcome to my video once again. My name is Porosh. I'm a student as well as an English learner. Also, I have a strong desire to speak English fluently. That's why I am trying to improve my English speaking skills. So initially, I would love to share an external truth with all of you. And the truth is, we are human beings, right? Every day we try to learn many things, but over time we often forget them. But there is nothing wrong with that. Forgetting is completely normal. So that's why we have to take it easy and not stress about it. Okay, so now it's time to give you the solutions. But before going to the solutions, we have to understand why we forget. So let's understand why we forget. Actually, our brain naturally forgets information when we don't use it regularly. Supposingly, you learn a new word or phrase, but if you don't use it regularly, your brain will consider it unimportant, and over time, your brain will remove it from your head. Okay, so that's why it's very, very important to use what we are learning every day. If you use it, your brain will consider it important and your brain will store it in your head. And after that, when you will speak with someone, you will be able to use that one. Okay, so it's very, very important. I hope you are getting my words. Okay, so now it's time to share with you two important step how we can solve this problem permanently. So the first one is try to practice as much as possible. It's very, very important. So if we learn something, but after that, after learning, if we don't practice it regularly, then how we think that we will be able to use it while making conversations? So we have to understand that if we learn something and afterwards if we practice regularly or if we revise that one, we will be able to make it happen. We will be able to use it. So try to practice as much as possible. It's really very important and it's necessary for all of us. And one more additional thing here. If you want, you can express your learning with anyone. If you have someone in your family or if you have your friends, you can try to share your learning with them. It will help you to memorize what you have learned earlier. So that's very, very important. So this is our first one. So now let's move on to our next one. Our next one is turn learning into a habit. So just like having a cup of tea in the morning or just like taking a morning walk in the morning, you have to make learning English into a habit. If you can do it, it will become more easier for you to improve yourself. Okay, so you have to make learning English into a habit. It's very, very important. All right, supposingly if you have 30 minutes, if you want, you can use it properly, wisely. Supposingly in the morning, if you learn few things, and in the afternoon if you revise those things, and after that at night, if you want, you can practice those things. It will become more easier for you to learn what you have learned earlier. So try to follow my advice. These two ways are really very helpful for us. If we want, we can follow these methods. It will be very useful for us and we will be able to overcome our problem. There is not, you don't need to be worried too much about it. Forgetting is completely normal. If you take it seriously, or if you let it stop you, then you won't be able to improve your English, or you won't shine in the future. So try to take forgetting as a part of your learning. Forgetting is also important. If you forget the learning what you have learned earlier, if you revise those things after that, it will be very helpful for you to memorize the things. Okay, so this is the thing. I hope you are getting my words and I am being able to make you understand. And if you follow my two ways, I strongly believe that you will be able to overcome this problem. So this has been my video's point. This has been my video's topic for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful and beneficial, then don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you want, you can also share my video with someone who might need help or who might need this kind of video. So if you have someone in your family or if you have your own friends, who needs this kind of video, please share my video with them. I hope my video will inspire our youths, will inspire my brothers and sisters to learn English and stay motivated. Okay, and I'm really very proud that you are watching my videos, and I'm being able to make you understand. I'm being able to share my own ideas with all of you. So every day I try to visit new places. I try to share my own ideas. So that, I mean, if I rotate myself, you'll be able to see some people over there, and they are observing me. And I feel sometimes I feel nervous when people are observing me, but it's also a common thing. It's also a common phenomena for me nowadays. So it's quite common to have people in this kind of place. But I always try to enjoy my time when I speak in English. I feel so great. I feel a great satisfaction inside me. So this is what really makes me happy. So I'm truly happy with my improvement, with my the way I'm going. It's really very, so important for me to make video every single day, and I'm trying to improve myself. At the same time, I'm trying to help you. So hopefully my videos are beneficial for all of you. Every day I am trying to share my own ideas with all of you. So hopefully you are also learning English, and you are also trying to improve yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it will work for you, because this is working for me. So I'm strongly believe that it will also work for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next time. Till then, have a great day. Always keep shining. Always be passionate about learning English, and keep moving forward. Believe in yourself and see everything is possible. Thank you so much. See you in the next time.